How would you like it if you could create faceless review channels all on autopilot? I'm talking about video reviews where the sales page is being recorded, where a voiceover talks about the product, where you get a bonus page with bonuses included, where you can send traffic to, etc. I'll be reviewing today. Today, I'll be reviewing Super Affiliates AI, which is a new platform that allows you to create these videos basically on autopilot if you like to. So I'm going to do a full walkthrough, going to give you a demo so you can see what you can expect. In case you're interested, there is a link in the description where you can find out more information. Also, I got some very cool affiliate bonuses for you, so make sure to check those out as well. Link in the description. For now, let me show you the campaign here. So how it works is you click on Create New Campaign. And from here, you can choose from different affiliate networks. So you can choose JVZoo, you can choose ClickBank, you can use Warrior Plus, or if you have a custom product, you can paste the sales page in here as well. In this case, I'm going to do JVZoo here, and here you can search for products. So let's say I want to promote AI products. Then I'm going to search for AI products, and here you can see a list of products that you can choose from. Now here on the right side, you can see how many copies of these products has been sold. You can go to the next page to see more of these products. But in this case, I'd like to create a review video for Callfluent here. So I'm going to select this one here. And then I'm going to scroll down here, and here you can choose what type of review video you'd like to have. So you can choose between a sales page scroll or a demo video review. So basically what you do, if you choose this option, you need to have an existing YouTube video that you're going to use, and it will show that video with the voiceover. I like to show you this one, the sales page scroll. And it already has the details here. So you can see there is already a sales page ready, etc. The only thing that you need to do is you need to put your affiliate link in this section here. Now, when you copy this part here, you can go, maybe you can even click on this button here. Yeah, it will open the JVZoo page where you can get your affiliate link. So first you need to ask for approval. And once you get approval, you get your affiliate link in here. And then you go back and you replace the existing link for the link of JVZoo. So this is now my affiliate link. And then my review script type. So what I can do is I can say, I want to have an honest review. I want to do a comparison, a story-based, a tutorial style. I always like to have the honest reviews. And then you can choose how many characters you'd like to have in your review video. So when you do 2 characters, it's 2 persons talking about the product. Personally, I don't know why you would have 2 persons. I prefer 1 character. That's also how I'm doing my product reviews like I'm doing right now. And then you can choose the language here as well. So all these languages that you're seeing right here are currently supported. So there are voices available for these languages. Many languages are supported here. You can choose the country and you simply click next here, where the campaign is going to collect data. Now, basically what's happening now is that Super Affiliates AI will go out to the sales page, get all the information from the sales page, and it's going to write that review for you. So let me come back once this is ready. So the script has been generated, as you can see. So I can open the campaign here and I'm going to check it out. So here you can see the hook. If your business misses calls, you're missing chances to book, support, and sell. And that's exactly where Callfluent AI tries to help. So it describes everything here, the whole script. You can make changes if you'd like to here. You can see the different tags that have been grabbed from that page. And here you can select the product images that you'd like to use. So there are not many images here that you can choose from, but no worries, it will still create a nice review for you. So we're going to click here on next step, where we can select the music here. So there are music tracks that you can choose from if you'd like to have music here. So you can do a music background track here. You have the AI voices, so you can choose the voice. I think I like this one, Aiden, this voice.
Hello, I'm your AI assistant, here to help create and...
So we're going to use that one. Let me show you a few more voices here.
Hello, I'm your AI assistant.
Hello, I'm your AI assistant.
The next page here. And on this page, you need to connect your social accounts. So I'm not connected here, but you can also publish your videos later. But if you want to publish it to your social media channels, you can publish it immediately to your social media channels. In this case, for this demo purpose, I'm going to click on publish later here, and you can do your description there, etc., your disclosure. But right now, it's going to generate the video clip. So what it's going to do now, it's going to take a recording of that sales page and prepare the video for us. So once that is done, I'm going to show you that. So the video is ready here, and we can open the editor. Here you can see it. So let's click on it. And this is the video editor where you can watch the video. So let's take a look what it created here.
If your business misses calls, you are missing chances to book, support, and sell. And that is exactly where CallFluent AI tries to help. CallFluent AI is an AI-powered phone calling and answering platform. In plain English, it is built to answer calls, follow up with leads, book appointments, and handle customer conversations around the clock.
So you can see every time here, you see this here, you can see that is a screenshot. It's going to scroll further. So when we move the mouse further here, check this out.
The big problem here is simple. Missed calls, slow responses.
Oh, I think it's at the bottom. No, I'm not sure what this, oh, this is the title, sorry. So you can move the title around as well. So it added titles here as well. I think the scrolling is here at the bottom, so you can see it here. Let me move this forward here. So it stops scrolling and then it continues scrolling here, like here it continues
Opportunity
to scroll again.
The
and
product
talk about
says
the
you
page,
create an AI voice agent.
what it sees. And as you can see here, this video is about 3 minutes and it finishes like this.
Overall, CallFluent AI comes across as a practical AI phone automation tool with a strong feature set, clear launch pricing, and a very relevant use case for businesses that...
So here it explains like a final word about it, and then at the end it says here,
If you want to check it out, use my link in the description.
so here you got the full video, and you can edit this video the way you like. So if you want to add your own video here, for example, or search for videos like I don't know, phone. Let's search for phone here. It will search for videos that you can use. So if you like to have B-roll in your video here, so for example, if you want to have a B-roll here, you put your mouse in here, and then we just take a look at these videos here, and you can say, okay, let's add this video here to my editor. And then you can see it has been placed here. Now when I play the video,
If your business misses calls, you are missing chances to book, support, and sell. And that is exactly where CallFluent AI tries to help.
so this is not a good example. You get the idea, right? You can download videos in here. You can also split the clips here. So when I right click here, I can say, for example, split at scrubber here. And then you can say, I want to remove the second part. So you can make it shorter. And you can also drag it longer and shorter here. But you're basically are able to import videos here. You're also able to import images. So you can search for images. You can also generate an AI video yourself. So if you want to generate a video, let me do that so you see the results. So in this case, I'm going to create a video. An agent is making a call with a headset in an office. That makes sense because this is an AI product that does phone calls for you. And this is the video that it generated. As you can see here, so this is exactly what we wanted. So I'm going to click the plus here, already removed the other one. And now it's go like this.
Support and sell. And that is exactly where CallFluent AI tries to help.
So now we can stop it here, button. Where you have here your review hub, social cards, short hooks, link tracking, etc. So let me go here. So this is the one, CallFluent here, where it has generated a page for you. So you can check out this page. This bonus page has been generated for you. It's about the product. It has written about the product here. You can see the video
If your business
breakdown.
misses calls, you are missing chances to book.
You see, so your video is on the page. What is it? So here you have the images that we selected. You can also add your own images. You can make all changes to this page. What's good, what's not, who is this for and not. You can see here bonuses that are included here that people are going to get if they purchase this through your link. And you have your affiliate link in here as well. Now, if you like to make changes, you can do that as well. You can simply go to Edit Review Page. So when you click this feature here, you will be able to make quick changes, as you can see here. So you can enable or disable the different parts on your website, on your review site here. You have your URLs. Look, you can also publish this to your own domain as well. So your subdomain before publishing, configure it here. So I think here inside of the settings, you should be able to set up your own domain as well. And here the pros and cons, etc. So you can make the changes, but basically everything has been filled out here. You can add your own bonuses as well if you like to, but you can publish your review page. And then you can use that review page. Now, another thing that you can do is you can also make changes to the page yourself. So when I go here, I can also click, instead of add a review page, I can add the page here. And this gives me a full page builder where I can make the changes myself. So here you can see this is the actual page. And if I like to add elements here, for example, I can say here, or a new hero section. I like to have a hero section here. I can drag and drop this in here so that it creates new sections for me here if I like to. I'm just showing you the flexibilities here. So you can change everything in here. You have the footers here, different features, commerce, CTAs here. On the right side here, you have your typography here where you can change the fonts, where you can change the colors, etc. And then also you got your schedule here where you can see where everything is scheduled, when it will be published. You got your analytics in here where you can see everything about the videos. And what I want to show you as well, currently what I showed you here is just where you can create campaigns. So you create a new campaign. Everything that we just did was basically manually. We did here, we said, okay, we're going to use an affiliate product here. We type AI, we search for a product. And this goes quickly, right? You choose a product here and then, okay, everything is all right. You put your affiliate links, next, and it's going to create the video. However, there's also an auto mode in here where you can say, I'm interested in the AI and automation. I'm interested in make money online and in software tools, for example. I want to create videos about these 3 topics. And I want to have my network JVZoo. And then I want to publish this content. For example, if you want to do this on YouTube, you say here, okay, let's do standard YouTube videos. I want to create standard YouTube videos with one character here. And you can say, okay, I'm going to use this one, George, for example. And then the post frequency, I want to post 1 time per day or 2 times per day or 3 times per day. I wouldn't do it 3 times per day because that won't work with the algorithm. I would personally go for 1 video per day here. You could do your disclosure in here. You can also choose 11 Labs or clone your voice. And then you select your platform. So in this case, when you connect your platform, you connect to YouTube and you can say here, save. And now it will generate those videos for you and publish that to your platform of choice in here. So I cannot show you that right now, but this is how simple you can do it. Like I said, you could fully automate it. Well, this is how you automate everything. You fill out the details, you select your social media platform, you hit it on save, and it will do the job for you. And that's basically what's super